Now, about your punishment.
Punishment?
That's right, punishment for staying on an assignment after specific orders not to.
Steve, I had to prove that Colonel Decker lied about me, and you know it.
Colonel Decker is now Private Decker. As far as your punishment is concerned, I'm sorry, Diana, but I'm going to have to insist. That you take a real vacation. Plane tickets, hotel reservations, and specific orders to have the time of your life.
Steve, I don't want to go.
Go.
Well, there's no suntan lotion in here, and I burn very badly. I don't have anything to read.
No books?
No books. No film for my camera.
Teacher said Johnny Prince on a real vacation.
Cute.
Well, that's not important.
Well,
What is
you want to go
important?
with me?
It's getting a footlong from Subway.
Now at Subway, buy one footlong in the app and get 150% off. Subway, eat fresh.